I just really enjoy being in a team environment. So that's really what life is like at the fire center or on a fire crew, and certainly in sports. So anytime that we have an opportunity to work as a team, to explore what it means to be a team, when we're able to do that, that's when we see teams perform at their best. UAS stands for Unmanned Aircraft Systems, and we are using it as a supplement for kind of our manned aircraft. It's not a replacement, it's a supplement, and really what it translates to is us being able to use UAS in a way that reduces or eliminates exposure to our firefighters and in some cases the public. We'll use UAS to operate in kind of smoky, steep conditions where manned aircraft can't go or shouldn't go, reducing the hazard or exposure to our firefighters on the ground. What's great about the UAS program here is it's a great group of people working towards a common goal and a mission. And I think, you know, the secret sauce for the rugby team or even here at the Fire Center is when we can align the purpose and our attitudes towards that purpose, we can achieve greater things faster. I thought that going through the Masters of Athletic Leadership program would allow me to learn and review some leadership principles in a different culture, in a different bubble, and it delivered. It was a rewarding experience to be in that group for 2 years. You know, what I love about rugby as a sport and what sets rugby apart is that you're not pigeonholed into one position. You're not a goalie, you're not a lineman, you're not a quarterback. Everybody has to participate and perform across the board at the same time, same level, and then you start to see the metrics of success there. So that to me is the core of the sport and how that relates to leadership development, player development, workforce development. All those things are at the core of the sport of rugby. And so it's no surprise to me that that's the sport I'm drawn to, and that's where I find myself here at the Fire Center, is working on at least provide the opportunity for people to develop and grow.